TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Kigima omwanchi omulirira ya kitariki ni 14 omutinyo kyenda omwaka bw'ekiribubere 2022 asine yaliganira bene gokoletera amangana maya kurasigeta seni na mbeyemo egeta seni kia Ndizi TV kinga kitoroche abonjerera korase kiro ya daraja mbili pagandete gukora obochori bwabo asoko nikimna benyoreire abarayikorwa ase ekireyo boigo nigo abamenyi korase county ya Homa Bay abale abonjerera bagokeire igetambukire Mugabana wa Gladys Wanga ase okorusia EBANGO ase amatuko 15 alibosio igomwanchi mulia na mange ngwaliganirite kolende tigandaso asensema ya kabere ya studio ngwirana ngomanye amange Tariane Frida Kerubo na CHINSA chivyaro kelio niko tokobwatanira Joshua Autagenda kutobwata CHINSA mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bakotanyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na biga asensemo ya YouTube na bakotanyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bakotanyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke ngo chaka kigima omwanchi mulieni ngo chakira account ya Kisii asingu kumanyubuna a sector ya boncherere anena monokoro ase echiro ya daraja mbili niko bagendete gukora obochori obora kolekane ase chi department emerongo ebere nenya koneri tukolia rero niko bakora obochori ase department ibere echichire ase department ya bali bakubugolia nabo igo ase department ye chinyeke orobatira senchera iyo gwenye
onde director ye chichiro ase Kisii county rera ase daraja mbili ntwabwate gosechikuranchigendrete chogo chora leaders bechi sector. Di sector chile daraja mbili echile 24 na ande unalichi koliko tebaria Kisii County Trade and Markets Act ya 2015 eta kere tuwa korobo choria sechichiro after ya kere miaka 3 ekere bachoriru ega sienene tokogania abana biashara batware committee yechiro no kubwaterana na barabu ne serikali wa koranga chichiro chito chiagendereire
nigondo mwana committee ase daraja mbili market na inde charity korwa sensemo yebias obochori obono obuyabore ase ngencho ekero twachore twase miaka 3 ande miaka 3 yaerire igore ndabana biashara ngamba tagete change ngakere gentonke bwate change
Omuraibense ogatano Dr. William Ruto chingaki aligotiani wali tukoligoro nigo atogetie ekyombe getene tobochali ne chimbebe IBC anene mono omanyakero gobwekyombe kyo wafula chibukati ase ogokora emirimo emiyabo igo chingaki kyo nigo atogetie ekyombe gikegambero ekikyene kiringa gyakolire egasi endonge nabo igo kwene kibuna egasi yabo nigo bayekolete asenchira yo gwetenenera nabo igo obwasiuku.
Ladies and gentlemen, to single out the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission for special commendation for the courage to do the right thing under exceptionally challenging circumstances. As an institution, they have set a new standard in public service that is uncompromising, professional, and exemplary, while raising the bar of integrity of our public officials and public institutions. Our judiciary is now, without a doubt, Kenya's biggest constitutional dividend.
Tinga kechio boigo nigo atogetie abamirani bae anene mono omuskerela Odinga na boigo mokonyo ye madakarua asokoba ase EKEMINANO kyuborai bwense boigo nigo achorete omorayo kane bwense uyo kabeiro omorayo kane bwense Uhuru Kenyatta ase ogochikoba omunyakirogo wechingwa nacho koleta omorembe ase orogongo rwa Afrika.
Recognition goes to my worthy competitor and friend, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and his running mate, the Honorable Martha Wangari Karua, and all the other candidates who mounted a vigorous and determined campaign. I assure them that their supporters will be my constituents. I have asked my elder brother, President Uhuru Kenyatta, who has done commendable engagement with those regions, and he has graciously agreed to continue chairing those discussions on behalf of the people of Kenya.
Boigo nigo aliete eira ase ogochikoru ogochika naki ebintu bire ase epoti ya Naivasha bigo chikoira na goika ase epoti ya Mombasa einentere yemo ainegatibuna abasae ase nseitu ya Kenya mba chiko enyorera emirimo.
Issuing instructions for clearing of goods and other attendant operational issues to revert to the port of Mombasa, as I made a commitment to Kenyans. This will restore thousands of jobs in the city of Mombasa.
Ababunge kurwa ase obomobwa Kenya kwanza mbaye negatibene mbachikobwaterana no morai wense Ruto erinda kwene kibuna onsi aikiranire boigomba tetebuna mbachikwane kibuna chibil sirchatigere twinjera ase ebunge ya 12 bayene kiringa chietirigwe na boigo gukora emirimo.
That William, being a hustler, he understands from the background that true people are suffering and we need to actually make their life easy by bringing down the commodities that are essential to the people of Kenya.
The job ahead is momentous, but I think we have got the mindset and the kind of thoughts, critical thinkers in the team who can propel our country in the coming days to the right direction.
We are giving you an opportunity to work. We are going to make a tax regime and policy that is going to make you work and get your benefits.
Of livelihoods.
Parliament is going to clear out the entry that was left by the 12th Parliament. On matters economy, there are some critical issues that were raised in the 12th Parliament that ought to be cleared in the 13th Parliament. One is the issue of debt in this country. First of all, we need to put a pulse on the finger of the debt in this country to first know how much debt do we have. Secondly, we will need to stop digging this hole because we're already in a hole. Before we do anything else, we need to stop digging and start climbing out of the debt hole.
Abonzereria korwa ase county ya Homa Bay nigo bagokeire egetambukiro ky'omugavana wa Gladys Wanga ase ogotenenia ogosangerera kwa EBANGO ase amatuko 15 alibusio nigo Wanga emukire egetambukiro kyo asoko ene kibuna obekire amachiko naboigo emerobere ya bene asoko ene kibuna esekte yongo chikokoria erebuya asengenje yogosangereria EBANGO.
Collection of revenues for the categories of enterprises set out in the first and second schedules of the Finance Act 2022 relating to markets, market users charges, offloading charges, transportation of quarry material and fees for impounded articles be and are hereby waived and or suspended with effect from 14th September for a period of 15 days. To give effect to the waiver set out in 1, I have directed the County Executive Committee Member of Finance and Planning to publish the necessary notice in accordance with Article 210 of the Constitution, Section 159 of the PFM Act and Section 14 of the Finance Act.
Omo County Commissioner Obomet Beverly Opwara nigo akulire bali bonsi bakonelia aborokigwa ebinyogo bigotinde ebirire barabogotiga eskuru boigo chinga kicho nigo aerera emechando aborokiwa bagotera anene mono ase bali bakonyora amalito agengyo
kama bangi. Nimeweza kuambia kwamba hiyo inachangia pakubwa sana hata incidences ambazo tunaona za defilement na pia maneno ya early marriages na teenage pregnancies. Pia nimewajulisha ya kwamba changamoto nyingine ambayo tuko nayo ni utamaduni ambayo kwa sasa imepitwa na wakati. Mambo ya FGM ama kupasha tohara watoto wetu wa kike. Pia tunajua katika kaunti yetu tuko na sekta ya majani chai ambayo inawiri sana, na unakuta kwa mara njia moja au nyingine watoto wetu wanapotoshwa kufanya kazi, ama kwa kimombo ile tunasema engaging our children in child labor. Unakuta watoto wanafanya kazi kwa mashamba kwa sababu ya majani chai ili wapate pesa. Na zaidi ya yote tunakuwa na changamoto ama kasumba. Niite kasumba kwa sababu siku hizi mtoto akihitimu tu kidogo apate nguvu ama afanye mtihani kidogo ama akiwa bado shule, akili yake inapiga kwenda kufanya bodaboda. Na hasa wakati
gavana wa county ya Siaya James Orengo nigo agokeire obokoreri ase nyagitalie sub county ya Bondo nonye babwate obulemeru ase enyagitalie korinde nigo alire eira ochikoene kibuna olikire abanyagitalie banene 15 rinde koeneki obokoreri obuya asate biribuna nabegete emerobule asokoene kibuna okinirie ebirengo byobochenu ase enyagitalie yo.
As we visit health facilities is not by accident. We are conscious of the role that the county government is supposed to play. And one of those sectors is the health sector. And in our manifesto, we put a lot of emphasis and premium on health, agriculture, pre-primary education, and county roads. And of course, with the blue economy, there's emphasis there as part of the big question about agriculture as a whole. We're happy, the doctor, for having us here together with Waziri. From the facilities you have, I think I must say you're doing a good job, but it's not the best because we need more doctors here. I've been told we only have 4 doctors. I think this facility will do better with about 15 doctors, seriously speaking. And also, as Dr. Chanda has said, in terms of facilities, we're grateful that there's an oxygen plant here. We're grateful there are equipment in the Department of Radiology and so on.
Moses Nandalwe nigo aerera eganga yaye yokwira libagali yaye Moses wetangula buna omon senator Obungoma nigo aerera buna abamenyi benseme yokorwa chibunge nibo bamuganire ko ba omo senator ase emyaka 5 erubusyo kolengana no bokoreri aberega ko bakorera naboigo amagenderero ase chinsemo
I've been vying for Sirisia since 2013. I vied for Sirisia parliamentary seat 2013 on Fort Kenya, I fight 2017 on ODM, then 2020 on ODM, but lost. I never wished, or maybe even I had no dreams for vying for senator, but I have received so many delegations from all the 9 constituencies, namely Tongaren, Kimilili, Webuye East and West, Kandui, Bumula and Mount Elgon. Wazes, Vijana have come to my home in Russia, Sirisia, to persuade me so that I can represent Bungoma at the Senate. Why did they decide to persuade me? Is because of my track record, my development record. When you go to Sirisia constituency, I have built a multi-million ICT hub or ICT college. I have built a multi-million tailoring college. I have free ambulances, free of charge.
Mwanche muliereria kurwa sorobotero ni wanaikire omoirie wa mangana maya asebire biga kolende ngo basabato basaguska to basakonyegera ayo na mangeno yanyole chikoraga CHINSA 10 asenchera iyo bwenye maga chikamera sokone kibuna ebicha na boigwelio gire wikera sole asenchera ya bene na repetronira mukira tonya ko tukubwatanira Joshua Auta asinse mochi biorokerere na nchelia ne Frida Kerubo.